Well, Noah Launcher is one of the best launches in the Play Store. And today in this video, let's see some of the best tips and tricks for Noah Launcher. So let's get started.
So the first trick here is to make this white themed UI into a completely a black one. So how to do this? So first of all, go to night mode, go to the night mode settings. There you can get an option known as night mode schedule. So click on that and just click on always, and you will get a nice dark theme instead of the boring white one. So I recommend this as a tip because it saves a lot of battery and stuff. So hope you like this tip or a trick, whatever you call it. What if you have a ton of apps on your Android and it is really difficult to search one by one and get it? So Noah makes it easy by placing a search button on the top of your app drawer. So this can be done by going to Noah settings and select app and widget drawers. Scroll down, you will find an option known as tab bar. Just enable the tab bar, and I recommend to use the material style, and even I recommend just to use the search and menu icons. So now, yes, there's a search button there. Now you can search any of the apps in instant of time and you can find them. So the next tip is rather a simple tip. This is just to change the background color of the search button. Yes, when you just slide up or when you just launch your app drawer, you will find a section known as search. Here a search button will appear, and when you click on that, you get to search things. Yeah, here now I'm using this orange background. You can change this to any of the color of your choice. You can change it to white, you can change it to black, anything. So this can be done by going to Noah settings. Again, go to look and feel, scroll down, you will get an option known as app search background color. Just click on that. Then here you can select various colors like blue or anything. Just select blue, and for this trial I'll show it up. You can see it has been changed. Even this tip, though this tip is not useful, but in some ways it is rather useful. So the next tip is really useful. Just look at this wallpaper here. You can find this annoying notification section here with this dark background. So I really don't like that. So using Noah Launcher, you can take off this and you can make your home screen look more minimal and more clear. You can do this by going to the Noah settings and just select look and feel, scroll down, you'll get an option known as show notification bar. If you have enabled it, just disable. Then here the notification section has been removed. So this brings a good change in your home screen. So the next step is to use the adaptive icons. Everyone wishes to install a third-party icon application to get their own icons or to get their own style of icons like the other phones. So Noah Launcher makes this easy by not installing any applications. Instead, you can use your own adaptive icons. Yeah, Noah Launcher allows this feature just to edit the system icons. So you'll know it better when I just go to the setting, go to look and feel, then there I'm just using the system icons. So just enable this option here, adaptive icons, and here you can see another option known as adaptive icon style. Click on that, and here you can select various styles, like you can make the system icons rounded or you can make it squared or rounded, square, anything. I prefer round, so click on that. Then that's it. You will get a neat rounded, a minimal icons which you can find in most of the stock Android devices. Hope even this tip or trick helps you. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and never miss out for any of the future updates. This is SIEMEN signing out.